second.
Right.
Because the military all uses 24.
Right. Yep.
So you can get all so the rear I installed LED lights. Those are 24 volts. The LED lights are from what, like from 12 to 48 or so.
And so this is the gray water tank next to it.
Yeah. Oh, we can.
So the power cutoff is to the truck batteries, and you just turned it off and took the key out.
Yep.
Do you take the key out when you turn it back on, or is it not removable?
No. Just do this.
It just locks right in there.
Yep. So, and then here, well, this is, I didn't have time last year to throw away the oil. Some of it might be new, some of it is recycled. Which ones is which?
Yeah, there's your propane tank for
So
the
propane tank goes here. This is the, so it's one hose, 0 connectors in the habitat. Instead of a valve, I did something else. I just made a hose. So you put the hose. So, and now you just constantly drain it. So, we can take this out.
That's the sink drains right there?
Yeah, for both sinks.
The bathroom sink? I just thought the bathroom sink drained to the cassette.
No, because then your cassette would be
Full, quickly.
full quickly, yes.
I was curious about that.
No.
Yeah.
And then there's a inspection thing that you can get to the well, you don't. I mean, you almost never have to open this, but this is for the. That's an air dryer, so you don't get any moisture in your air tanks. It's a new air dryer that I installed.
Oh, and those are the air tanks then.
Yeah, that's just the air tanks, and it's all so there's no need to be here, but just in case.
It'll be fun when the tank's full and you gotta get it inspected. So, excuse me, I'm just gonna drain right here. Don't worry, it's just bath water. Yeah.
Like I said, normally you don't. There's no need to be here.
Right. I gotta say, you've done a really good job thinking about all the things. You know, it's funny too. It seems like a very doing this, right? Building your own sort of expedition truck seems like a very European pastime. From like when you see there are just so many of these types of trucks in Europe.
Well, actually, it started
driving all over the world.
This whole thing started when we were at the Grand Canyon, and I saw an action mobile.
Oh, those are nice. Yeah.
Actually,
If you want to spend the money on that.
Well, I don't have that.
Me either.
Besides that, I think actually this, to be honest, this is
Yeah.
because I would also, if I have 800,000 euros tied up in it, I would be really worried.
Yeah.
Driving in those countries.
Yeah.
Right.
If it is, let's say 150, well, great, it's a lot of money, but it's not as bad.
So if I was going to connect a shower pan here, I would,
Yeah, you can
Probably.
just come from the other side.
right?
It's a vent hole, but you can. There's a. It really is fairly simple to do. And you can put it maybe you can put in I just bought a standard size tank just quickly because but you could put in a bigger one obviously.
Yeah. Well, I think to your point, most of the time you would just drain unless you're campsite.
When I was in Vermont with my son, we went just somewhere in the woods.
Yep.